Hi, in this video I want to talk about how to add a new report to Vista for Viewpoint, specifically a Crystal Reports report. So let's say you've created a new report and then now you want to add it into Viewpoint, into the menu. What I recommend doing is taking an existing Crystal report that's in Viewpoint and then modifying that report, a report that's similar, that's kind of close to what you want, and then changing that, and then making that into your new report. So here you can see we took a job cost report and we modified it to add new field, different calculations, and then made that into a new Crystal report. So you get the existing report from the Crystal share that's on your Viewpoint server. So all the Crystal reports are located in a specific folder. So you want to get it from that folder. Then you can open it in Crystal and then modify it, and then put it back in that same folder. So this is where our Viewpoint reports are located for this particular client. And then that report's hitting a particular stored procedure, so you don't want to modify an existing stored procedure in the database. So what you want to do is you actually want to take that stored procedure, alter it, and then give it a new name. So the original stored procedure was a job cost stored procedure that we modified and then changed the name of it and created a new stored procedure in the Viewpoint database. Now keep in mind that this has to be in the Viewpoint database. You may want to put the new stored procedure in a reporting database, but that would work if you want to run that outside of Viewpoint. But when Crystal reports are run within Viewpoint, at runtime, Viewpoint makes the Crystal reports use the Viewpoint database. So it's not possible for the stored procedure to exist in a different database. It has to be in that Viewpoint database. So okay, now we have the Crystal report, we have the stored procedure, everything's working now in your Crystal report, and so you would save that new report to the report custom directory, that's on your Viewpoint server. And then now you go into Viewpoint, and what I first recommend to do is to use the report copy function, and then this is where you copy. You just click on this and you just copy an existing report. You copy that existing report that you copied, and it creates another pointer in the system along with all the parameters and that stuff. So you would first use this to copy an existing report and create that new pointer in the system, and then you're going to want to go to report titles, and here you'll go to that newly created report, and here's the one that we created, and you want to make sure you name it the proper file name that so you saved that Crystal report as something different in that share directory on the Viewpoint server. So you want to make sure that name here matches, and the application is Crystal, show on the menu, stuff like that. So and once you do that, it should show up within Viewpoint. I hope this helped. Thank you.